Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 43. I'm going to explain about derivative adjectives. Chapter 43 or bab 43. Derivative adjective. Many words from other parts of speech such as nouns, verbs, etc. can be used as adjectives. These words are called derivative adjectives. Examples: nouns, meja besi, steel desk or table, piala emas, gold cup, susu tepung, powder milk, benang sutera, silk thread, harga getah, price of rubber, minyak kereta, motor oil, cawan kopi, coffee cup, tin coklat, chocolate can, kaki kayu, wooden leg, kotak rokok, cigarette box. The words in bold here are the adjectives. Nouns with the prefix ber. Peristiwa bersejarah, historical event. Pemuda bersemangat, spirit youth. Jalan berbatu, cobble road. Pokok berbunga, flowering plant. Kawasan berbukit, hilly area. Buah berair, juicy fruit. Rumah berderet, terrace house. This is kawasan berbukit, hilly area. Rumah berderet or terrace house. Jalan berbatu, cobble road. Verb with and without prefix. Meja tulis, writing table. Lampu tidur, sleeping lamp. Jalan naik, upgoing road. Peraduan menyanyi, singing contest. Peraduan means contest. Competition, pertandingan. Perlawanan, match. Bilik menunggu, waiting room. Waktu bekerja, working hours. Perpustakaan bergerak, mobile library. Nanas berkupas, peeled pineapple. Bahan bercetak, printed material. Siaran terbatas, limited circulation or limited broadcast. Barang-barang terkawal, control items. Barang-barang means items or stuffs or goods. Rahsia terbuka, open secret. Penghormatan terakhir, last respect. Examples in sentences. Piala emas itu dihadiahkan oleh Tan Sri Abdul Malik. The gold cup was donated by Tan Sri Abdul Malik. Kain itu dibuat daripada benang sutera yang cantik. The cloth is made from beautiful silk thread. Kalau harga getah naik, orang-orang desa akan bergembira. If the rubber price goes up, the rural people will be happy. Rumah hartawan-hartawan itu terletak di suatu kawasan berbukit. The rich people house are located in a hilly area. Kerajaan bercadang hendak mengadakan lebih banyak lagi perpustakaan bergerak untuk kanak-kanak desa. The government plans to have more mobile libraries for rural children. Sebuah meja tulis terletak di sudut bilik itu. A writing table is placed in the corner of the room. Dalam peraduan menyanyi yang diadakan minggu lepas, Ella mendapat hadiah pertama. in a singing contest held last week. Ella won the first prize. Words to remember. Nouns. Pengunjung. Base word is kunjung, to visit. Pengunjung, visitors. Tong sampah, trash bin or trash can. Sampah, trash, rubbish. Tandas awam, public toilet. Papan tanda, notice board. Hiasan, decoration or garnish. Harta benda awam, public property. Pokok-pokok, trees. Kemudahan, facilities. Nasihat, advice. Amaran, warning. Verbs. Beristirahat or berehat, to rest. Memasang, to set up or to fix. Bersenam, workout, exercise. Membuang, to throw. Menenangkan, to soothe or to calm. Menyediakan, to provide. Dijaga, being looked after. Merosakkan, to damage or to destroy. Rapi, in order, tidy. Penting, important. The passage about recreation park. Taman Rekreasi, recreational park. Taman means park, also another meaning is garden. Taman rekreasi adalah tempat untuk beristirahat atau bersenam untuk menenangkan fikiran. Recreational park is a place for rest or to do exercise, to calm the mind or to soothe the mind. Kini didapati banyak tempat or taman rekreasi di negara ini tidak dijaga dengan rapi oleh para pengunjungnya. Nowadays, there are many recreational parks in this country not being taken care of by its visitors. Mereka membuang sampah sesuka hati. They throw the trash as they like. Merosakkan harta benda awam, damage the public property, dan memusnahkan pokok-pokok hiasan, and destroy the decoration trees. Langkah yang pertama, the first step, ialah pihak berkuasa tempatan perlu menyediakan lebih banyak kemudahan asas seperti tong sampah, tandas awam dan tempat letak kenderaan. The first steps are the local authority need to provide more facilities such as trash bins, public toilet and parking lot. Selain itu, pihak berkuasa tempatan perlu memasang lebih banyak papan tanda nasihat dan papan tanda amaran. Other than that, the authorities need to set up or need to fix more notice board for advice and warning board. Memandangkan taman-taman rekreasi ini penting, maka sewajarnya ia dijaga dengan rapi. Or, maka ia patut dijaga dengan rapi. Considering that these recreational parks are important, so it should be taken care of carefully. Exercise 1. He keeps his money in a chocolate can. Dia menyimpan wangnya di dalam tin coklat. 2. Those desks are made in a factory in Shah Alam. Meja-meja itu dibuat di sebuah kilang di Shah Alam. 3. Powder milk is good not only for children but also for adults. Susu tepung bagus bukan sahaja untuk kanak-kanak tetapi juga untuk orang dewasa. 4. We need 300 coffee cups for the party. Kami memerlukan 300 cawan kopi untuk majlis itu. 5. Pineapples, mangoes and mangosteens are juicy fruits. Nanas, mangga dan manggis adalah buah-buahan berair. 6. The sleeping lamp is placed near his bed. Lampu tidur itu terletak dekat katilnya. 7. The working hours of that factory is from 8 to 12 noon and from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Waktu bekerja kilang itu ialah dari pukul 8 pagi hingga 12 tengah hari dan dari pukul 2 petang hingga 6 petang. 8. The company will build more terrace houses for the public. Syarikat itu akan membina lagi rumah teres untuk orang ramai. 9. His marriage with the young secretary is an open secret. Perkahwinannya dengan setiausaha muda itu adalah satu rahsia terbuka. 10. The 60th Commonwealth Games in Kuala Lumpur was a historical event. Sukan Commonwealth ke-16 di Kuala Lumpur adalah suatu peristiwa bersejarah. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.